In this video, I will guide you how to do the stock adjustment entry. As usual, we have to log in ERP account. Go to purchase. Inside the purchase, we have to select the stock adjustment entry. Enter the remarks here why we are going to adjust the stock. Select the product here from the list. Suppose the product name is Uncle SF. Enter. Here it is showing the two batches. The first one is having 12 stock, 12 quantity, and in second one batch it is having 3 quantity. As per the physical quantity, in the second batch stock is 0. So we will update the 0 in this batch. Double tap on that. Data will be auto selected. Here we have to select the lace because we want to lace the 3 quantity. Select the region due to the batch mismatch and click enter and press update button. It will show record saved successfully and document number will be visible here. Press OK. Okay. To verify, we can select the product again. It is showing only 12 batches available. Here we can verify it, or in the respective report we can find the correct stock. Thank you.